Hello. Well, hello there. Oh, you're in it too. My man. We are going to install and go for our first drive with the MotoTote. I got my iPad, the first casualty, because I dropped the ratchet on it. So let's start counting. How many casualties do we have? We're going to start by installing the lights. And then we're going to tighten everything down. Alright, we got the tools that we need. We got a 3/4 inch ratchet, 5/8. We have the adapter for the lights. We have the lights. And I have a U bracket too. Where it goes, I don't know. I guess we'll figure that one out. Somewhere back there. Let's do this. The way to do it, to access this baby, to take these off, to access the screws, is from the outside with a screwdriver. And they're also labeled right and left. That's crinkle proof. There, we pop them babies out. I think that we're just gonna go do this. Also, I needed to get an adapter to go in there. Hey, why don't you come join in the fun?
No, my hair looks like a crusty little frog right now. I'm going to the gym.
What do you mean it looks like a crusty little frog? Come over here and get in the film.
Dad,
People want to say hi to you just for a second.
No, I gotta go to the gym.
I want to see, and we're going to get comment below. Does her hair look like a crusty little frog?
Okay, from the back, no, but from the front, yeah, because I have to go to the gym and he's out my face.
You mean like Mr. Krabs?
You're none other than the Krusty Krab.
You look like a crusty little frog too.
I didn't say about a crusty. You're the crusty frog. What do I need to do here? I need to tighten this into that. Oh boy. Oh, what's up, buddy? Are you gonna be my helper today, buddy? Good boy. Oh, I see you, buddy. Come over here. We gotta go underneath the car and fix this thing. Do some wrenching. Ow. I'm pretty good with my hands, but when it comes to wrenching, I hope I'm tightening this thing. I'm loosening it. What happened to righty tighty? Woo! Oh, I'm too over this. Yep, that one's broke. Oh, my man. They bring him over here to lay down in the shade. You lay down, buddy. Now's the time I wish I had a bigger wrench. Apparently I'm not the best at wrenching. Well, I can wrench one thing, but I can't wrench these wrenches too well. She was supposed to laugh at that, but she didn't laugh.
I'm under the MotoTote.
What are you doing down there? She's putting work in.
A different angle.
Yeah, we're doing different. This is videography. Old Chili, and very unorganized, and not the best wrencher that you ever did see. But I get the job done, and we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna go for a ride, and then we're gonna go buy a trailer. According to the instructions on YouTube from MotoTote, this is a 0 bolt. Wow, 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 wow. Or something like that.
From the hardware kit, grab the zero wobble bolt.
Tighten that one. And tighten these. They're not so zero wobble bolts. And I think I need a bigger wrench. That's what she said. Did you ever say that?
Only when you had that little wrench in the other video.
Let's get this thing extended. Why are you laughing? You want me to break out the big ratchet? We have that on
That
film.
little thing.
Man. I won't say nothing. I think we're gonna get a trailer. I like this product, I do. But the 1, 2, 3, 0 wobble bolts aren't exactly zero wobble, especially when we put 450 pounds on it. Now that I have this relatively installed, with the 3 0 wobble bolts, that aren't quite anti-wobble because they wobble. I think this would be awesome for a dirt bike. I saw a bunch of sport bikes at Jennings and Daytona with these on, and a few V4s and V4Rs and everything, BMWs, ZX10s, GSXRs. I just don't know if I'll be comfortable towing. I'm gonna try it. There was a comment which really hit me pretty hard, is, you know, the weight vertically, to have all the stress horizontally on both sides and 3 anti-wobble bolts holding it on just basically 2 by 2 inches of a trailer hitch. Honestly, just for real, I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna work, but you know, I think it'd be in the back of my head every 20 minutes I'm gonna have to pull over, and that's just being, that's from the heart, baby. I mean, that's as tight as it's gonna get, and it's got tons of vertical movement. Keep on commenting down below. The comments have been huge, and I thank you guys so much. It means a lot to me. It really does. I read some today. It meant a lot. We're really enjoying this. This is a lot of fun. We're not just doing this to do it. I mean, I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have a good time. But comments are huge. You guys make the comments. I try to respond to everybody, and I really do appreciate it. This is the U-bolt you guys told me to get. Another anti-wobble device. And we're almost done. Where's the one that I needed? Not so proper. Go. What are you laughing at?
It's like a manatee rolling around trying to find some crap.
You did not. Oh, here it is. Here it is right here. Did you just call me a manatee? First you call me Peter Pan. Now you call me a manatee? I give up. Now that's proper anti-wobble. Let's put a couple more of these jobbers on. We'll check the lights, and then we're gonna load the bike up and strap it in. In. Hold it, and I'll put the tie downs on. It looks cool, but looks is not what I'm concerned about. Before I go anywhere, we're gonna zoom into this, and I need you guys to comment for real.
I don't like this here.
I don't either. And you guys in the know, comment, because I don't want to take this bike anywhere like it is right now, strapped up. Need some major advice with the tie downs. I just hate to go in through here because I don't want to rip up the fairing.
On this right here itself.
Comment. You guys are awesome, by the way. What the heck? Oh, you are such a... Wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble.
I think the wobble on this is good because it's gonna put the stress on this and not the bike. If it was stiff and your bike's taking all that. I also like it going lower on the triple clamps than on the handlebars.
Yeah, but where we can't put them below the shock. Gotta be above. Comment. Wobble, 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 wobble. It looks cool. It drives nice, but it's a little bit nerve-wracking. Not gonna BS, but I think it's doable. We're gonna give it a try. The car goes over the bumps fine, but I can see my rearview mirror. It's going back and forth. I mean, it's definitely, which is, I gotta get used to it. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and notification bell so you know when I'm gonna post another one. We'll see you guys next time.